Yeah, I
So
would agree. I mean, a good location. Everything in that whole development really is pretty good location because you got the golf course, you got the water. So for
yep,
boaters, for golfers, people do both things. This used to be, an Airbnb type of rental, VRBO. So an investor could want it for that play,
yeah.
or somebody might just want to buy it and live there, retire there. Multiple options here though, but the comps look really good. We feel really pretty comfortable with the low fours if we did the paint and some minor
Yeah.
stuff there.
And as you see here on the active, everything's in the 5s, 6s, and 4s basically too. So by us putting an as is value at 379, even we do the lowest property in the development, but might make sense to make the renovations on this one that you and I are talking about.
And just to verify everything, Mike. So the bank, when they countered me on this originally, they were at 365. They wanted to sell it in that 360 plus range. They really wanted 365. We stuck to our number and they reluctantly ended up taking it because it had been a few cycles that this was on.